Do you want to know how you can enable two-step verification on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable two-step verification on your Telegram account. Let's start the video. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the menu which you can see on the top left hand side and go to settings. Now go to privacy and security. You can see two-step verification is currently turned off. Go ahead and tap on it and click set password. What you need to do is enter a password. Make sure that you enter a reliable password. After you enter your password, go ahead and check it, and you can click on this eye icon to check it and click on next. What you need to do now is re-enter the password. Then click on next again. Now you can give the hint and click next. So you can also add recovery email. Go ahead and write down your mail over here, click next. And then you can see a verification code will come to your email. So go ahead and check your Gmail. As you go to your Gmail, you can notice that a mail has been sent to you by Telegram. Go ahead and copy the code which is sent to you by Telegram and paste it in this box over here. So go to the mail, see the code and paste it. It will automatically detect it and you can return to settings. You can see that your two-factor authentication or your two-step authentication has been enabled. Now your account has been more safer than ever. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.